have a heater with a minimum circuit ampacity of 209 amps. The question is a 200 amp disconnect large enough? The answer is no, a 200 amp disconnect is not large enough. According to Article 430.22 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, the minimum circuit ampacity for a heater must be 125% of the heater's full load current. In this case, the heater has a minimum circuit ampacity of 209 amps. Therefore, the minimum size of the disconnect that can be used is 209 amps times 1.25, which equals 261.25 amps. Rounding up to the nearest standard ampacity, a 275 amp disconnect would be required. The NEC does not specify a specific percentage increase for resistance heaters. However, the 125% rule is commonly applied to all types of heaters, including resistance heaters. To reiterate, a 200 amp disconnect is not large enough for a heater with a minimum circuit ampacity of 209 amps. A 275 amp disconnect would be required.